Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy guys that our channel has achieved the milestone of 1000 subscribers. Yes guys, I'm very happy and I want to give you the credit of this milestone to you all my subscribers because you supported us unconditionally guys, and you always like my video, you always comment uh, on my video. So whenever I read the comment, and I'm very happy that uh, some peoples are commenting that thank you for sharing this video. So I'm very overwhelmed whenever I get this kind of comment. So thank you so much guys for your support, for your love for this channel, and I always promise you to share the valuable content on this channel. So thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best. Hare Krishna.